So the question is, can I stay in the US if my child is a US citizen? And the short answer is it depends. I hate giving you a legal kind of lawyerly answer, but it really depends. And it depends on whether, well, so first, is your child over 21 years of age? And so for them to petition they have to be over 21. Okay, that's what the law says. So that's the first requirement. The second requirement is, let's assume that they are over 21 and they can petition for you. Then the question is, are you petitionable? Meaning, are you admissible? And so to be admissible, there are two core requirements, which are you entered with inspection, so you entered inside the country, yeah, and you had a stamp or a visa, so that you enter the regular way. Even though you overstayed the visa, that's okay. That's okay. And then second, there's no criminal violations or things that make you inadmissible. Because the criminal violation and any varies, call us for if you want to find out more about criminal violations. But these are the requirements, okay? Child has to be over 21, and then you have to be admissible, and that's through either, you came with a visa and a stamp at the border, and there's been no criminal issues, or there might have been criminal issues which are of the type that don't make you inadmissible. Okay, thank you.